Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thombre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, KK Wagh Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, I will be going to explain practical number 13 from course Fundamental of ICT. The title of this practical is Worksheet Printing. Let us first discuss the practical significance. In spreadsheet, printing allows getting the work on paper. This is useful for both referencing and sharing work. Data which is available on worksheet can be explored and exploited in various areas like visual presentation. Since printing involves different issues, it is important to know the page setup and print option for worksheet. This practical develops the ability to apply the page setup and print options for worksheet. The relevant course outcome is interpret data and represent it graphically using spreadsheet. After learning this practical, you will be able to apply page setup and print option for worksheet to print the worksheet. To perform this practical, you require some skills like you have to apply all options of page setup on spreadsheet. Also, apply print options on spreadsheet. Some theory behind this practical is worksheet printing is a very important task in spreadsheet tool. While printing a worksheet, one need to consider various factors like print area, page margin, then paper size, data visualization, setting print area, top, bottom, right and left margin, gutter margin, page size, page orientation, header, footer and other page setup and printing options. You have to set the desired view to print complete worksheet on a page. To perform this practical, you require resources like computer system. You can use any desktop or laptop with basic configuration. Also, you require Office software package. You can use OpenOffice, StarOffice, LibreOffice, MS Office or any other such software. The procedure to perform this practical is page setting allows you to specifically configure and control many issues related to printing. You have various options using the relevant menu for the page setup. First, set the print area or print range. On the ribbon or in the menu bar related to print option, select page layout and use the options available for page setup. Then choose the option for scaling the page. Select the paper size, then set top, bottom, left and right page margin. Then type header and footer if required. Choose various options related to shade, like choose the rows to be repeated on the top of every page or choose columns to be repeated at left of every page. You can select the options to include or exclude the grid lines on sheet. Also, you can select the desired page order. Once all settings are done, click on Print Preview to see and check the settings applied. If settings are as per plan or instructions, click on Print OK button to get the print on paper. Otherwise, go for modifying or applying desired print settings as per your instruction. In this practical, you have to perform the exercise like scale the current view of spreadsheet to 75%. Also, select 10 rows and set them as a print area. You have to write the practical related questions answer. The questions are: explain the importance of setting print area of worksheet. Second question, can we print worksheet and related chart on same page? And the third question is, what is the significance of repeating a row on the top of paper when the header option is available? Let us discuss the answer of practical related questions. The first question is, explain the importance of setting the print area of a worksheet. And the answer is, When you print a Microsoft Excel worksheet, it is important to set the print area, because if the sheet is too wide or too long, it may become unwieldy. It helps to focus on data that is required. It also helps to eliminate irrelevant rows and columns from being printed. It makes it convenient to print out what we need and leave the rest. And finally, it helps us to work more efficiently and have a control over the printout. The second question is, can we print worksheet and related charts on same page? Answer of this question is yes, we can print worksheet and its related chart on the same page. And the third question is, what is the significance of repeating a row on the top of paper when the header option is available? So answer is, Excel headers are used to display page numbers, titles and author names, an author name, etc. And there is a limit to the number of characters the header or footer will accommodate. However, if a worksheet span more than one page, we can print rows and columns headers or label on every page. Both options are having different uses. So this is all about practical number 13 from course Fundamental of ICT. Thank you for watching.